Welcome back to my channel. In this lesson, we are continuing with the topic atomic structure. If you're joining us for the first time, we welcome you specially. Remember, this is a place where we learn the basics of chemistry step by step. Do well to check our previous videos. So get your writing materials and let's get started. Take a look at the following questions on your screen right now. Are they familiar? Can you answer all? Not to worry. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to answer these questions and more. So let's get into it. Atomic number under atomic structure. What is atomic number? The atomic number of an element is the number of protons in the nucleus of an atom. Don't be confused. A nucleus is made up of or contains protons and neutrons, but an atomic number or the atomic number of an element is equal to the number of protons alone in the nucleus of that atom. It is represented by the letter Z. So formula, atomic number equals number of protons. You should note that atomic number tells us the identity of an element. So what that means is that no two different elements has the same atomic number. For instance, oxygen has atomic number 8. Therefore, an oxygen atom has 8 protons, and that is why it is oxygen. If the atomic number changes from 8 to a different number, it is no longer oxygen. Atomic number and electrons. We should note that in a neutral atom, the number of protons is equal to the number of electrons in a neutral atom. Therefore, in a neutral atom, atomic number is equal to number of protons, also equal to number of electrons. Someone may be asking why. For instance, if there are 11 positive protons and 11 negative electrons, 11 minus 11 will give us 0, and we know that 0 is neutral. Now, look at it this way. Protons, like we said earlier, are positively charged, while electrons are negatively charged. So if you have equal number of protons and electrons, it cancels each other, or it balances each other. That is why we gave the illustration 11 minus 11 is equal to 0, and 0 is neutral. So if you're asked what makes an atom neutral, an atom is neutral because the number of protons equals to the number of electrons. Hope you are following. Atomic number identifies the element. Like we've mentioned, every element has a unique number of protons. This number is the atomic number and it identifies the element. So, looking at the table, hydrogen atomic number is 1, meaning the number of protons is also 1. This means the element is hydrogen. Carbon has atomic number of 6. Number of protons 6, it means the element is carbon. So once the atomic number or the number of protons changes to a different number or to another number, it becomes another element. Key points there: if two atoms have different atomic numbers, they are different elements. So atoms of the same element have the same atomic numbers. Let's look at how to find atomic number. The atomic number can be found from the number of protons. We said from the formula that atomic number equals number of protons. Examples: number 1, an atom has 12 protons. What that means is that the atomic number is automatically 12. Number 2, an atom has 17 electrons and is neutral. what it means, that atomic number is 17. Remember we said a neutral atom, that the number of proton equals the number of electrons. Number 3, an atom has 6 protons and 6 electrons. The atomic number is 6. Looking at the number of protons is 6. You can also take note, when a question asks for the atomic number, the first thing that should come to your mind is to look out for the number of protons. Now let's look at the importance of atomic number. We've said it identifies an element. No two different elements have the same atomic number. Number 2, elements are arranged in the periodic table in order of increasing atomic number, and this helps in studying their properties and trends. Number 3, it determines electronic configuration. Number 4, it predicts chemical properties. Number 5, it distinguishes isotopes. Some of these terms might be, sounding unfamiliar, but not to worry. As you follow us step by step, we'll get into these topics. So you understand this atomic number so that you get the foundation for other topics. We'll be stopping here for this lesson. But before we go, let's answer the questions that we saw earlier. Number 1, the atomic number of an element is the number of A, neutrons in its nucleus, B, protons in its nucleus, C, protons and neutrons in its nucleus, D, electrons and neutrons in its nucleus. I'm sure you know that the correct answer is B, protons in its nucleus. Number 2, an atom has 8 protons. What is its atomic number? A, 4, B, 8, C, 16, D, 18, and the correct answer is B, 8. Number 3, which of the following determines the identity of an element? A, number of neutrons, B, number of electrons, C, number of protons, D, number of shells. And the correct answer is C. That is, number of protons determines the identity of an element. Number 4, a neutral atom has an atomic number of 11. How many electrons does it contain? A, 10, B, 11, C, 12, D, 22. So you're going to try this. And also number 5. Number 5, which statement about atomic number is correct? A, it is the number of protons and neutrons in an atom. B, it is the number of neutrons in an atom. C, it is the number of protons in the nucleus of an atom. D is number of electrons and neutrons in an atom. So you try this and leave the correct option in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching to this moment, to this point. If you have found this video helpful, do well to like, subscribe, and share. You can actually be helping someone. That child has always complained that chemistry is hard, by sharing this piece of video with someone. Thank you once again. We'll see you in our next lesson. Bye.